welcome to DC Economics. So I'm going to take you on how we can find the variance of continuous random variable. So we begin by understanding what is the variance of continuous random variable. Variance of continuous random variable is the average of the square differences from the mean. It is given by taking the variance of x that is given a negative infinite limit up to the positive limits x square function of x minus expectation or mu square. So we take out the expected mean, we square it, as you can observe. So the variance of x is given by limit negative to a positive limit x squared times function of x minus expectation mean squared. So the variance of x is given by the integral. Take out the integral of the given number, function of x minus u mu square. So from this function now, given the function of x that is x cubic plus 2, and given the probability limits 2 up to 5, you require to find the expected value and the variance. Solution. Since our expectation of x expected mean is given by taking x times function of x dx, since we have the function of x that is x cubic plus 2, let 2 times with x, we put out the integral of negative infinity up to the positive infinity. So the expectation of x would be equals to, we put out the limits from 2 to 5, and we times out x times x cubic plus 2, we obtain x4 plus 2x. So the expectation of x will be given, we integrate x by plus 4 plus 1, divide by 4 plus 1, plus 2x, then plus 1, 1 plus 1, divide by 1 plus 1, then we set up the limits from 2 to 5. So this will give you x raised power 5 over 5 plus 2x raised power 2 over 2. Set the limits under certain given limits of 2 to 5. So let you plug in the limit to the equations that will give you 2 and 2 will cancel out. So this will be equals to 5 square plus 2 over 5 raised power 5 square. So to take out 2 raised power 5 over 5 plus 2 raised power 2 over 2 raised power square. So this will exactly give you 650 minus 10 raised power 2 over 5. So the expectation for x will be equal to 603.93 over 5. So this will be the expected mean. Now let's work to find out the variance. Now since the variance is given by taking out the expectation, the integral, since the variance is given by taking out the integral of setting limit of 2 to 5 x squared dx minus mu square. Mu represent out the expectation mean that is squared. So we take out the integral of 2 up to 5 x squared, we times the function of x that is x cubic plus 2. This will give out x raised power 5, then plus 2x squared, set limit of 2 to 5. Let you integrate. So this will give you 6, then 5 plus 1. We take out 5 plus 1. Then we plus 2x, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. We set out the limit from 2 to 5. So this will give out x raised power of 6 over 6 plus 2x cubic divided by 3, set of limit 2 to 5. So the variance will be equals to x raised power of 6 over 6 plus 2x cubic divided by 3. Set up the limit from 2 to 5. Let you plug to the equation. So this will give you 5 raised power of 6 over 6 minus 2 times 5 raised power of cubic over 3. Then minus, we plug in 2 to the equation, that will give you 2 raised power of 6 over 6 minus 2 times 2 raised power of cubic divided by 3. So let you subtract the two equations. So here, remember, we are finding the expectation of x squared dx, the integral for the certain limit, before we plug into the variance formula. So this will give out 26871 over 2 minus 16. So the given expectation will be equals to 2687 1 over 2 minus 16. So the answer will be equals to 267 2067 1 over 2. Now after taking so, now let us plug into the variance formula so as we can obtain the values of variance, since we have the integral setting limits of 2 to 5x squared dx. So this will give out now balance of x will be equals to, we take out 2067 1 over 2, then we minus 6393 3 over 5. So 639 3 over 5 we raise power of square, since that is expected me. So the balance will become now will be equals to 20 32 38, as you can observe. So thank you for watching. This is BC Economics. Welcome to other videos. Bye bye.